Welcome to this episode of Sarpa Cooking. I'm your host Hindo, and today we are going to be making New Mexico Natillas, an egg custard. First up, we gotta crack some eggs, 4 eggs to be exact, and separate them. Now that the eggs are separated, we're gonna go ahead and take the egg yolks and we're gonna make a paste with 1/4 cup flour and 1 cup of milk. Once you have the paste done, go ahead and set that to the side, and we're going to start warming up 3 cups of milk in a saucepan, or I'm using my cast iron, with 3/4 cups sugar. Now that we've got our milk warmed up, we're going to go ahead and start adding our paste that we made earlier. Now comes the really tricky part. We're going to have to stir this for about 30 minutes, all the while making sure that it doesn't start boiling, and just keep stirring. Just keep stirring for 30 minutes. Now if you notice that it starts to get too hot and it starts to boil, you're going to want to go ahead and turn down the temperature a bit. Just make sure that it doesn't start boiling completely. You don't want that because it'll cook it too quickly. If you find that you have too many big lumps, go ahead and try and break them up with your spatula. Now that our natillas has thickened up, we're going to go ahead and remove them from the heat and place them in a bowl. And now we'll mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and set aside the natillas while we beat our egg whites. And now we add the egg whites on top of the natillas, cover with plastic wrap, and set in the refrigerator to cool. Now that the natillas have chilled, you can fold in the egg whites and serve. You can garnish with nutmeg or cinnamon. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.